Morning, good evening, good afternoon. I'm just gonna make this a quick one just to have you guys just chill, prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow is NFP after all. So if I was to go into an eval, because I'm thinking of going into an instant instead. So if I was to go into that instant, let's say for a 5K account, minimum withdrawal would be 6%, right? That's 6% right there. 6% and some change. So I'll just show you the trades that I took. So for this one specifically, um, targeted just above my, just above where I left off, because I entered just below here, and possibly the exact same level for the same amount, but I did add excessive. Well, it isn't excessive. It was a 0.28, 0.08. So that's what I did. I got $272 from the single trade, and I'll show you my. Where is this thing now? All right. Let me just look for this thing. Yeah. So on this one specifically, lot size was a bit bigger, but luckily since this is Nasdaq, I could add more lot sizes and I'd still be okay. So essentially, my stop loss for both of these was the 3% that is the daily loss limit. So that's on both trades. Not 3% each, 3% as a total. Luckily for one of those was in 1% drawdown. So that's good. Thank you, Lord. Um Made it all the way to 98, but then I just decided to close, and I closed just before that dip. But then it did continue to the upside to reach my take profit. So I should have kept it there, regardless of how it moves. Just let it run. But I did no such thing. So I left out there, but at least I made um what I was supposed to make within these two trades. So that's not bad. And if I was still in the trade, it wasn't gonna take me out, but it was going to still be in drawdown. So I'm glad I had my take profit where it was. At the same time, even though I didn't enter using the take profit, still, And that's just on Nasdaq, gold. So same thing here. I knew it was hitting up to the upside, but then I knew it was gonna have a turbulent rundown. Luckily, 5,000 is enough. Um, I even could have taken this trade using VND, but since it is my own uh, amount that I'm using, it's not as much volume that I could get from gold as I would have on a live account as on a okay. In this case, I'd say it is a funded account, even though it's not, but practice for it. But I just showed myself that regardless of what happens, because before this, I had a loss. From that loss, I could have tilted and just went straight revenge, but I decided just to leave the charts for a bit. And there I entered, I saw an entry. This entry was showing me that this will still continue to the upside. So I took that trade. What time is it? Because I saw it moving at around this time, around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I saw it moving. And I just needed a confirmation, and that was it. And it just continued up, went down. At first, I thought it was a bad trade, but then I just decided to stay in, leave it. And then was not thinking about it the entire time, as you can tell, from 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. By the time I woke up, the trade was already closed. So thank you, Lord, for that. So now this is just giving me more, how do I say, more confidence with where I place my take profits and my stops as so far, and I know it's a good time for me at this point, but there will come a time when the market will go against me. Even then, I'm just supposed to stay locked in within my strategy. So now that's something that I could have just capitalized a bit more on, but this is a demo regardless. If this was a funded account, then that would have been money to me, and the 30% that they will be taking would be right there actually. So I'm not even mad about that. Um, I'll just show you guys a little bit of something. One of my students doubled her account. She stuck to her rules. I'm so proud of her. I won't lie. I'm just so proud of her. All right. Why did it tilt now? Guess we're doing it vertically. So these are just two small trades that I took today. Managed to double my account, and now I am more than ready for NFP. It will be happening tomorrow at around 2:30 side. Aiming, looking for buys on gold. That's all I'm looking for. With the current broker that I have, I don't think I'll be able to trade right on time, but I will place entries, not stops, because those can also be liquidated. Um, but no, not what am I talking about? No buy limits of any kind. I'm just gonna manually place entries 10 minutes, 20 minutes beforehand, and then just hope it doesn't come out for my account before then. But luckily, I should have enough. Hopefully, I will be going crazy. So let's just see what happens.